As observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angle of depression of two ships are 30° and 45°. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. So I'll just draw the lighthouse of 75 meter. Let this be the 75-meter lighthouse, and let this be the sea, and from a point in the sea, let this be the point of one of the ship, and let this be the point from another ship to the lighthouse, and I will draw a horizontal here, and from this lighthouse top to one of the ship it is 30°, and to another ship it is 45°, the angle of depression. I will name the triangles A, B, C, D. So here they have asked about CD, that is the distance between the two ships. So I'll just write it as this as lighthouse, and this is may be boat one, this may be boat 2 for your understanding purpose. These two are angle of depressions. So if this is 45°, if this angle is 45°, then this angle should also be 45° because of alternate angles. If this is 30°, this angle should also be 30°. So because of alternate angles. So I'll write it out. This is 30 and this is 45. And I will name the distance between these things. Let this be x, let this be y, and total distance from B to D, let that be z for the understanding purpose. I will write it as z total. So z will be equal to x plus y. We need to find y, that is the distance between the two boats, boat 1 and boat 2, that will be equal to z minus x is what we need to find. So I will apply for triangle ABC first. For triangle ABC, tan 45 in this case is equal to AB divided by BC. AB is unknown, which we need to AB is known, that is 75 meter. In the question the lighthouse distance or height is given, and BC is unknown, and we will write BC as x, and we know that tan 45 is 1, so x is nothing but 75 meter. We will directly get it. Now x is what we have got. Now we need to find z. So triangle ABD, will take triangle ABD, tan 30 in this case, that will be equal to AB divided by BD in this case. So AB is 75, we already know. BD is x plus y, that we need to find, and x plus y, which is equal to tan 30 is root 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, and we can write it as 75 divided by x, we already found as 75, plus y equal to 1 by root 3. After solving this, we can find the value of y in this case. So 75 root 3 equal to 75 plus y, and if you bring y to one side, all the other things to the other side, 75 root 3 minus 75 if we take 75 common here in this case, so 75 root 3 minus 1 will be our y. Now we have got y here, that is the distance between the two boards.